Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, surpassing the mother. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Stellar. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into what's happening with SHX lately, with the SHX community and the SHX official X handle. Let's see what's new. So guys, look at this. This from Chart Nerd. The break will be immense when it reclaims these levels. SHX. Look at this, guys. The price. This is the trend line over here. If the price breaks this, then that would be insane gains in the short term, because I think that the price will double it will double really quickly, guys. If it breaks through this level over here, I really think that the 1 cent level will be reclaimed really easily, guys. So let's hope that happens. The break will be immense when it reclaims these levels. Okay, owning SHX and VELO now is like owning XRP and XDC years ago before their previous bull runs. So what are the people saying over here? Is it true or not? 100, 100, 100. Facts. VELO is right behind XDC. VELO needs less than a 4x to catch up to XDC's market cap. May well find it is even bigger. VELO 1000x gem, we know. VELO, if you understand. XDC has never experienced a genuine bull run. The initial surge was driven by speculation, investing without full knowledge or understanding of its potential. This current bull run seems to be more about price discovery, as XDC offers scalable, sophisticated smart contract utility. Guys, I might be using this in an XDC coverage as well. A really good take on it. XRP was stifled last bull run. XDC's inception came along during the end of the last bull run cycle, fueled by speculation. Owning SHX and VELO is not like owning XRP and XDC, guys. It depends, because we haven't seen the true potential of SHX and VELO yet as well. But if we look at VELO being associated with BlackRock, Solana, Laos government, I think it certainly has both of them have the potential, guys. SHX is associated with IBM and even Ripple and XLM in a really in a closed network, guys. They are a part of that closed network with Ripple and Stellar. So I think it certainly is possible, guys. And I do not agree with this take that no, it won't be having the runs like XRP and XDC. It certainly is possible, guys. Just Me Coin too. I hope so. Last time I checked on my SHX, it wasn't pretty. Okay, have you given up on Casper? Casper is really going, it is controversial at the moment, guys. Polarized opinions over here. Guys, I really found an interesting take on XLM and SHX. This from Crypto Gems GR. Seven Sins Island, really cool name over here. So guys, really interesting take. Look at this. Stronghold has the potential to surpass Mother XLM in terms of market cap. Okay. SHX will reach 20 billion market cap one day, Probably not short term, but it will. It will be around $3.5 to $4, not financial advice. Do your own research, guys. But I really think that if yeah, SHX has the potential to reach these market caps, these insane market caps, if they continue on to develop, progress, forge key partnerships, provide real world use case utility. It certainly has the potential to reach that. But guys, at that time, Stellar will be even higher, in my opinion. That's just my take. The mother will be higher. Maybe someday SHX grows, but I think Stellar has time with it. Besides that, SHX is built on Stellar, and Stellar has a lot of other things going on it as well. So I think both of them will be doing really great if they continue on to develop. But I really think that if SHX reaches 20 billion, XLM will be higher. The mother will be higher at that point. So this is just my take, obviously, but both are decent investments if they continue to develop, I might say decent technologies, decent projects. We never know with investments that would they provide the desired gains for the investors or not. But look at this, guys, Stronghold. What else do you need from a project? I mean, what do we need? Look at this: the partnerships, the associations, the collaborations that Stronghold has. Forbes FinTech 50 2022, NACHA certified, SOC2 Type 2 certification, guys. This is an audit. Pro Montori, an IBM company, Xpring, High Times, Hummingbird, Prime Trust, IBM, Aduro Advisors, and Westnet, Yodlee, Netflix, Gap. What else do we have? FedNow, Instant Payments, ISO 20022 compatible, guys, associated with Ripple, Visa Everywhere Initiative, Audience Favorite 2022 North America. Really decent graphic over here, guys. Circle, Women in Payments, NYU, Singularity University, Played, Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan, Chase and Company, Coinbase. I mean, what else one wants from a project, guys? A really a great a network of projects and institutions that Stronghold is associated with. Look at this, Stronghold Virtual Ledger. Let me like this and bookmark this. USACH Automated Clearinghouse. Awesome graphic over here, guys. What else do we have? Just so we are all on the same SHX page here. SHX saw an 80% gain in a single day last December. Okay, yeah, I remember that move. We all do. It was a really great and decent move. We're not supposed to know SHX. Okay, SHX. Do we hold and go for SHX? Look at this, the trend line. Some more technicals over here. Okay, there's the trend line, and going if this is true and remains intact, then I think that we might go up and test these levels eventually. Okay, there's I mean in the short term of 0.005, 0.0053, guys, and if this breaks, we see a cent in really quickly, in my opinion. Things have been quite boring on X over the last few weeks. VELO has taken the reins and people are starting to take more notice. But don't forget, during the boredom, SHX, XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, QNT, Casper have all been in the background working. Guys, we cover all of these projects. We've covered SHX, XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, QNT, Casper. So we cover it often. Great techs, great projects to legitimize the industry. I look at it this way, guys. Oftentimes people tell me that yeah, they haven't performed as well as a certain meme coin, but guys, that those meme coins aren't legitimizing this industry. We need these projects to at least give a legitimacy to this industry, guys, by their use case, by their technology. An industry goes much more than just mere investments or these meme frenzy and these sort of gains wasn't possible when it came to shares and stock market. That was a mature market giving steady gains. So the conventional investors are okay if there is steady gains and the tech is good and the project is doing good. So it just depends on who you talk to. One day we're going to wake up and see what we've all been waiting for, and it looks like just like this. Hold on, boys, we're approaching countdown. Obviously, guys, everyone wants gains. This is true as an investment, but like I told you guys, it goes way beyond that. These projects are also needed to legitimize this industry as well. Buy some. If you've got $1,199, what's your move? Buy some more SHX and VELO. In my most recent SHX update on YouTube, I mentioned multiple bullish and bearish scenarios, one of which was to hold support and break out above the daily 20 EMA with multiple closes. We are now seeing signs of a reversals. Patience, we could equally come back in for a higher low. Okay, so awesome, guys. The voting, the Q1 board, there was a governance vote going on as well with SHX, guys. Stronghold. We might cover that in a later video as well. So, what do you guys think about SHX eventually surpassing the mother XLM? But I think, guys, that XLM will stay a step ahead in terms of market cap. If SHX can reach those decent gains, decent market caps, insane market caps as well. But I think Stellar being the first mover and a project that has on which SHX is built, I think that the mother will stay one step ahead. What is your take on it, guys? An interesting one, by the way. I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.